You're applying to med school, right?
Yeah, I am.
So, have you started requesting letters?
Requesting letters?
When applying to a health professions program, your application, letters of recommendation, and your interview provide a comprehensive picture of you as an applicant. Most programs require 3 to 4 letters, 2 academic, 1 science, 1 non-science, and the remaining 1 or more from other sources. If you're taking 1 or more gap years, you may request additional letters from that experience. If you're applying to MD, PhD programs, some medical schools require a letter from each PI you've done research with.
Okay, so like at least 3 or 4 letters? Got it.
And there is no need to wait until you are applying to request and store letters. As you progress through your classes, research, and activities, keep in mind the value of a recommendation from a professor, supervisor, or other mentor. Each recommender should know you and your work well enough to write with authority, be familiar with your educational and career goals, and be able to write a strong letter of support. Avoid choosing recommenders based on their accomplishments or prestige. Instead, focus on their ability to speak with your capabilities, skills, and interests. As a general rule, it's not recommended to ask friends or family for letters. When considering whom to ask, advocates such as your professors, academic advisors, residential college dean, and head of college may be good choices if they know you and your work well enough to write on your behalf. Also consider employers, a coach, or the head of your volunteer experiences. And for your research, think about PIs and research mentors. Don't forget your summer experiences. When considering how to ask, whenever possible, ask writers in person or send an email to set up a meeting. Once you've arranged to meet, some helpful items to bring would be your resume, your bio, and the AAMC's guidelines for letter writers included at the end of this presentation. Your recommender may address your academic and scientific abilities as well as skills like effective communication, resilience, and teamwork. One item that's important to note, a recommender may ask you to draft your own letter. While that practice is not optimal, you may ethically provide a list of points you would like the writer to address. You can find a sample draft provided by the National Association of Colleges and Employers on our website. To help the letter collection process go smoothly, give your writers at least 3 to 4 weeks lead time to write your letter and set a firm deadline, ideally early June. Create your free dossier account with Interfolio and send the requests for your letters through this account. We recommend that you waive your right to view your letters. As your deadline approaches, monitor receipt of your letters in Interfolio. When needed, follow up with your writers for any letters not yet received. Once you're ready to start applying, sign into your account to upgrade to Dossier Deliver so that you can send your materials to AMCAS or another application service. Once you know your letters have been submitted, it's important to say thank you. Consider handwritten thank you notes instead of email. As a professional courtesy, keep your writers updated on your progress.
So that doesn't sound too complicated.
Right, let's get started.
Framing the process in 4 simple steps may help you approach it with ease and confidence. Plan, ask, collect, and thank. We hope these guidelines help you sail smoothly through the letter of recommendation process. Remember that advisors in the Office of Career Strategy are here to help.